Hello dear folks, welcome to the Advanced English Center. This is the episode number 14 of learning new 5 sentences every day. You know the drill that I'm going to teach you 5 new sentences with the 5 new vocabularies, and they're pretty uncommon, and I think most of you do not know the meaning of them, so I think it would be very handy for you if you learn them and try to utilize in your daily conversation, as well as you will get them often if you come across a lot of books on a regular basis. So I hope that you are going to pay attention to them. So let's start. So look at the first sentence. The plane was spinning out of control. Spinning, S-P-I-N, this is the root word. So the plane was spinning out of control. Spinning means to turn round quickly, So the plane was spinning out of control. Still actually you have a confusion. Let me give you one more example. Like, I was spinning hearing the news that he was sacked from the job. So I was spinning hearing the news that he was sacked from the job, or the plane was spinning out of control. Okay, so I think you understand it right now. So go for the second one. The second one is some employers try to subjugate the workers. Some employers try to subjugate the workers. Employers means, suppose the owner of a company, the owners of a company is called employers. So some employers try to subjugate the workers. J-U-C-A-T, subjugate means to gain control over somebody or something. To gain control over somebody or something. So some employers try to subjugate the workers. I think it's a very bad idea to subjugate the people. Okay, so subjugate means to gain control over somebody or something. Okay, so go for the third one. Third one is a very important one. It is important not to trivialize children's worries. Trivialize. Let me spell it for you at first. Trivialize. T-R-I-V-I-A-L-I-Z-E. Trivialize means to make something seem less important. To make something seem less important. Well, it is important not to trivialize children's worries. Okay, so let me give you one more example. Like, we shouldn't trivialize the pain of others. We shouldn't trivialize the pain of others. Okay, so go for the fourth one. The fourth one is a lot of bachelors have to go through an ordeal. That is absolutely true. A difficult or unpleasant experience. You can say either a difficult experience or an unpleasant experience. So a lot of bachelors have to go through an ordeal. It is so true. Also, like, you can say that everybody has to go through an ordeal in their life. So ordeal means, this is a good word, O-R-D-E-L. Ordeal means a difficult experience or an unpleasant experience. So this is a very uncommon one. Like, I think we barely use it in our daily life, but it sounds very fantastic to use. Like, it is a bare-fetched lie. Bare-fetched lie. It is a bare-fetched lie. B-A-R-E-F-A-C-E-D. Bare-fetched lie. Bare-fetched lie. So completely obvious. It's a bare-fetched lie. It's a complete obvious lie. So these are the 5 sentences today, along with the new vocabulary. So I hope that actually you just get them all the way. So from now on, you're going to use them in your conversation, on writing, or anywhere you can want to use. Just you need to master of them and try to use them. Okay, so let me actually read it for you one more time. The plane was spinning out of control. To turn round quickly, some employers try to subjugate the workers. Subjugate. To gain control over somebody or something. It is important not to trivialize children's worries. So to make something seem less important. A lot of bachelors have to go through an ordeal, a difficult experience or an unpleasant experience. It is a bare-fetched lie, completely lie. So if you think that this video is very handy for you, so please share and subscribe it. Also, like if you have any problem regarding any kind of thing, just actually send me. I hope that I'm going to give you a solution. Thank you so much for watching. I will come up with the next class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.